Good morning and good evening to everyone. This is Antony Raj, co-founder of Antony's Training and Solutions. So I conduct recruitment training and as well as data modeling training. Now this video is all about how computer science education will be the best when compared to many of the major of studies like mechanical engineering or electronics and communication or electrical, so on and so forth. So basically, many students have asked me a question, why I need to take bachelor's degree in computer science or in information technology. And I answered those questions also earlier. So basically, I do have a very good background in information technology. For the last 20 plus years, I've been working with the information technology in various titles. I worked as a data modeler, data warehouse specialist, database developer, database administrator, and I also got an opportunity to work with the recruitment and immigration. Okay, so I wanted to share my experience towards how to take a suitable degree in computer science. Now, in computer science, we do have several courses like computer science, information technology, data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence, IoT, that is Internet of Others, machine learning, right? Artificial intelligence. It goes on like that, right? So it's a never-ending process. Now a new boom has come with generative apps, and a lot of things are automated. So you should have known this Chat GPT or Gemini from Google, Chat GPT from OpenAI. You have Amazon's Code Whisperer, and then you have Microsoft's GitHub Copilot. It goes on like that. Okay, the technology never ends, and every day there are a lot of improvements, innovations, a lot of creativity is being there in the computer arena. Okay, that is what I wanted to share. Fine. So basically, I did my engineering in Venkateswara College of Engineering, Sriperumbudur, which is located in Chennai, India. So in 1999, due to my presence in information technology, I got an opportunity to go to United States, and I worked there nearly for 7 years. I worked in Miamisburg, Ohio, Dayton, Ohio, and then Birmingham, Alabama. After that, I went to Parsippany, New Jersey, then Dallas, Texas, and then Glen Avenue, Virginia. So I would have worked in 7 or 8 states in America, and I would have visited 10 places. So pretty much I know about the cost of living in America and different places because I lived in different states. On top of that, coming from the India background, I know like how much I earned and how much I saved during my employment in United States. And that is the reason I thought I must share this experience with students so that they can pick the right choice for their career. Even though there are many major of studies or branches, whatever you call, like mechanical engineering, electronics and communication, electrical, computer with electronics, aeronautical engineering, automobile engineering, textile engineering, chemical engineering. It goes on like that, right? Every field has got its own advantage. I don't consider mechanical engineering as an inferior one or electronics communication as an inferior one. All branch of studies are good, very good. But when I compare this computer science major of study with all other branches, I think that computer science has got an edge with other branches. And that is what I wanted to explain here. So before taking a career in computer science, one should have studied science group. Okay, that is what is being followed in India. I believe that the same maybe in America also. Not pretty much sure about that one. However, people study this first group in India. Okay, in Tamil Nadu, in my place, they call it as Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science as one group. And the second group is Maths, Physics, Chemistry, and Biology. That is the second group. And there are other groups which replaces computer science or biology with other things like physics, maths, computer science, and some advanced mathematics also. So in my place, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and in Tamil Nadu, what I've seen is a person who has studied maths, physics, chemistry in their plus two, that is a 12th grade, they will get an opportunity to join in reputed engineering colleges. Right? We do have several engineering colleges here. IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, National Institute of Technology, Vellore Institute of Technology, SSN from Shivnada Group, right? We have so many colleges, and I believe that around 500 colleges are in Tamil Nadu. So many students ask me the question about joining in a particular branch of study, fine? And that is why I thought I should explain the advantages of computer branch over other branches. So let me share my screen. Fine. So my main focus is going to be about why I need to take or why I need to study bachelor's degree in computer science. Fine. As I explained earlier, computer science has got several branches. Fine. So it is branched out with computer science, information technology, cyber security, IoT, data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Many courses are there. First one is global opportunities. When I say global opportunities, so I studied my college education in Chennai, and I had the initial phase of my employment in Chennai and as well as in Delhi. And after that, I got an opportunity to come to United States. See, if I would have taken other branches like accounts or commerce, right? Then I would not have got an opportunity to come to United States because the accounts practice that is followed in United States, that is totally different from India. And when you take the law practice, United States has got its own laws and India has got its own laws. Similarly, when you take nursing or physician or chiropractic, the system is totally different here. The main advantage of the computer science is you get global opportunities. For example, when you consider Oracle, okay, which is the biggest database vendor in the world, Oracle is not going to change for India and Oracle is not going to change for the United States. It's going to be consistent and common in all countries. So let us take the products of Microsoft, right? For example, you have Azure, okay, which is the latest one. Azure is not going to change, right? It's a software, it has got its own versions, and those versions are published globally, fine? And if you take this Microsoft packages, so you have Excel, Word, PowerPoint, those kind of things. When they say Office 365, it's in cloud environment and it's going to be same, right? So the advantage with the computer science is when you study something in a good college and when the lecturers and the professors are going to give enough practical training, then that person is eligible to take the global opportunities very easily. However, the same thing cannot happen in mechanical engineering or in electronics communication engineering. For example, you know that Mercedes Benz, right? Benz is a very famous car. And if a mechanical engineer has to design this Benz car, he may not get the sufficient knowledge in the college program. Fine. That is, I'm comparing this one with the computer. Kindly do not mistake me. Okay. So all branches are good. But it will be very difficult for a mechanical engineer to design a Benz car immediately after he comes out of the college education. See, in mechanical engineering, what happens like when you have a production floor, and if 1,000 people are working in a manufacturing industry which produces Benz car, then out of that 900 people will be on floor, and 100 people will be like supervisors where engineers may be there or supervisors with experience may be there. And out of that 100, what happens? Only you get like 5 or 10 vacancies as design opportunities. So if 1,000 people would have studied mechanical engineering, then everyone will not get the option in joining the design department in Benz, right? However, if you take this computer, it's same, right? So whatever you practice in your studies, for example, Python programming, if you've done multiple projects in Python programming, then it becomes easier to get the fundamentals in Python, and you can directly join in any company which is needing Python developer. So when you take Oracle database, and if you develop some projects with Oracle database, you can join that one also. And if you're very good in ETL, extraction, transaction, transformation, and loading, then you can get an opportunity to join ETL-rated job works also. Fine. Just I'm talking about the high level. Suppose if your course has got 10 to 12 major things, okay? For example, data structures, right, which deals with the database. And then you have Python programming, which has got the front end and the back end. And you have Java, which has got the front end as well as the back end. And then you do have internet programming, how to create a website. And then you do have AngularJS and React.js, where it talks about creating the front end applications, right? So I have seen one course in Anna University, which talks about everything here, right? 7 or 8 things are there, 7 or 8 subjects are there, which focuses on different branches of computer science. So if a person who has joined this program in a good college, and if he has done or if she has done 8 programming courses with some projects, then definitely that person would have got the fundamentals. With this practice, that person can directly join any company and start working immediately there. Okay, that is the advantage with the computer. Fine. Global opportunities. Okay. The next one is the high income. Fine. Whenever you consider the income that is earned by the computer professionals, it's very much on the higher side, and particularly programmers, business analysts, project managers, directors, business intelligence analysts, right? Azure data engineers, they've got an edge over other people who are working in mechanical engineering or civil engineering, and they get a lot also. See, in America, I've seen people getting $100 per hour to $200 per hour based upon their experience and expertise in the niche industry. So consider $100 per hour, right? So in a month, they'll be earning around $16,000. Okay, it's not a easy money. And in America, I've seen many families earning like $25,000 per year, correct? But an American who is going to earn $16,000 per month, that's a great income, right? So the average income of America may be like 30,000 or 40,000. I'm not sure about that one. However, this computer science gives the opportunity to earn more, right? That is what is called as high income. And then high demand. Why that high demand is happening there, correct? It is the combination of supply and demand, okay? So when the market is booming, and definitely computer field will always shine 8 years out of 10 years, because in every 10 years you will be having 2 years as a recession period, and because of the recession people may be losing jobs. But because of the high demand, okay, which is existing in the computer world, lot of innovation, lot of automation is done in the existing industry. For example, if you take like 15 years or 20 years back, right, no one would have known about this touch phones, right? So Steve Jobs invented that one, and now the whole world is using this touch phones. So because of that, what has happened? Okay, a lot of programming came into picture, and there were many competitors now earlier, and now also the competition is increasing. So that gives a lot of opportunities to the programmers, developers, business analysts, designers, testers, project managers, etc., etc. And that is why it has got high demand. So it is suitable for ladies, right? The reason is in India, it's a different scenario. Fine. And ladies who learn this computer science programming, they get an opportunity to go up to the higher level also. Other problems that usually ladies face in the other industry in India, right? It may not be there here. Fine. So innovation is a key thing. And every day, some kind of innovation is being done. So in the last 3 years, lot of improvement is going on with this Gen AI, and several applications are being created which improves the efficiency of the productivity, right? Career opportunities. Since this innovation is there, high demand is there, always lot of career opportunities are arising. For example, if you take my career, okay, I started my career as a developer. However, situations demanded me to learn database administration also. I learned database administration. So if there is a job in database administration, I can jump to that one. Fine. And after that, I learned data modeling also. Then, if I see some data modeling opportunity, I can hop to that data modeling job also. In this way, you've got plenty of jobs available in the market. However, that person should be very strong in learning these skills and applying it practically. If that person doesn't have the skills to apply it practically, then the life will be very difficult, and it is very difficult to survive in America also. Fine. And the jobs in every industry. Okay, this is the very big plus. Fine. For example, a English teacher can teach English in anywhere across the world, right? Because English is going to be the same, grammar is going to be the same, only the accent is going to get changed. And according to the idioms and phrases that is being used in that country or in that state, so that will be English will be explained. Otherwise, English is not going to change at all, correct? So this English is applicable for every country, and an English teacher can teach English in any country. Similarly, with this computer science and information technology, what happens? There is no particular field for computer science alone. For example, Oracle is creating a product every year. Microsoft is creating a product. Google is creating a product. OpenAI is creating a product. Hundreds of software companies are there which are creating software products, software applications every day, every month, right? So they may be creating like n number of software products. So that means the people who study computer science are not only joining those product-based companies, but they also get an opportunity to work across different domains, right? For example, airline, they need computers and information technology people. When you go to a retail industry like Walmart, they need people who can build their business. When you go to banking, you need people to do automation of credit card, debit card, etc., etc. When you go to companies which provide loan, so that person, that company must know how to hire programmers who can do efficient work with their loan process. Same with the mortgage industry also, where a lot of financing is done on several products, right? These are few examples. However, wherever you go, right, the situation has changed now. Automobile industry, you need cars, right? That is why this mechanical engineering with artificial intelligence has come up, right? So when you see this artificial intelligence, again, you get to know about that Ola, Uber, Swiggy, right? So a lot of products are there. So earlier what happened, we used to go to restaurant to eat food. Nowadays, we are ordering from home and we are taking the food from the home itself. How it happens? Because of the artificial intelligence. Earlier, we used to go to a taxi stand, or we will be calling the taxi guys. We take a cab and go from one place to another place. But it is not like that now, right? You have several applications. We sit at home. We know like where to start and where to end. Just by clicking operations, we are doing that one, right? This is an advantage of artificial intelligence, right? So many applications are there related to artificial intelligence, right? And that's what I say that, okay, jobs are very high, fine. So every day, every minute, new opportunities come, new technologies are created, and there are plenty of opportunities for computer science. And I got to know that like for another 10 to 20 years, data science will be at its peak, right? So people who have got the foundation in information technology, they'll be having the capability to go into any IT arena, right? Business opportunity. What is that, man? I have several friends who have worked as developers, programmers, and later they started companies in India and as well as in the United States. They hire people, they create products, or they go with staffing, and they do all kinds of things with business opportunity. And moreover, the career opportunities are lucrative, right? Automation, right? That is the key of computer systems, right? Innovation, automation, that is where everything is modernized. Basically, within the shortest time, they wanted to get the product out. And at the same time, the customer must be happy about the product, right? For example, if we book something to eat, okay, with Swiggy, and if they take 2 hours or 3 hours, then we may not be happy with that service. So they promise something, okay, we'll be at your home within 30 minutes, within 40 minutes, right? Within 40 minutes, they will come to us. They will come to our home. That is what is called as automation. The convenience of working remotely, okay, this industry has got the flexibility to work remotely because all things which are done at office can be done at home also. All they need is the laptop and the security, fine. So whatever I've explained, right, with all of these things, you can get to know that computer has got many advantages with high income, demand, innovation, career opportunities, etc., when compared to the other field. Even though other fields are good, even though they also give a lot of money, but this computer science field has got me advantage over other fields, and that is why I always suggest my students or my relatives or my friends to go with the computer science opportunities if they do have a real interest on that one. And that is all for the slide. I'll catch you later. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye. So pretty much you would have understood what are the advantages of computer science engineering and information technology. Okay, in my subsequent videos, I'll try to explain, okay, about a syllabus in American university and what are the different subjects taught there and how it will be beneficial for them in the near future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.